New year, new me. I mean, who knows? Time will see. But for real, thank you for being here. My name is Andreariquena or Andrea, and let's get into what I have for you today. My first PR packages. I am so excited, like you have no idea, especially because since it is a new year, that does mean new cosplays. Yes, yes, yes. Have I dropped them anywhere for you all yet? No. But do my subscribers on Instagram and my supporters on Patreon know? Yes, they do. You can be in the know too. All you got to do is click that link in my bio. Or actually, I put it in the description to make it easier for you because I love you. Let's get into it. My first PR of this year is from the brand, drumroll please, Mehron! Y'all, I cannot wait, especially because that means not only do I have new cosplays coming, but some of those cosplays will be a face paint. Face paint. Face paint. It's a box inside of another box. This is very Yzma coded. I don't know if I'm ever gonna learn how to open boxes correctly. Oh my God. This was, oh, I got it. I got it. Let's do this. Oh, shut up. That's not even makeup. Oh my God. Okay, okay. All right, and this is the pastel blue. This is the black. Oh! And now we've also got a pastel pink. Y'all look at how fair that is. That sounded old. How light this is. She light-skinned. They also sent skin stuff. This is for prep. It's a toner. Oh my God. You should be using their skin stuff if you are using their makeup, and I don't take my own advice, but now I will. Come through with a barrier spray, lock your stuff in, make sure it don't come off. This stuff works. It's a metallic. I have never ever used these. I'm so excited to play with these. It's a silver! Silver and gold. I don't know if anybody knows what that's from. Probably not. I barely remember. You stop it right now. Why is she weighty? Why does she have some heft? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. I could be Ahsoka. I could be Marge Simpson. I could be Supergrover. I could be Gumby. I could be me, you know? Like, the possibilities are endless. So now y'all know I had to swatch these colors. These are all water activated, and as you can see, the more water you use, the more it can give like a watercolory effect. The less water you use, it can give you kind of more opaque. I am so pleased with these colors. I cannot wait to play with them. So I also swatched the CreamBlend sticks, and the pastels are pastelling. The black is super opaque. I did mess up on swatching the metallic gold, but again, this is my first time using it, and it's a learning experience. I'm sorry. This is so amazing. You have no idea. There's so many Mehron products I've been wanting to buy, but of course, like, I am a creative. In my real life as well as online, I do a lot of the arts, so I don't always have a ton of money to even spend on the art that I want to do. So getting this PR package is like everything. I want to sleep with them. Like, they are all my little babies. Mehron, thank you so much. This was more than I had anticipated. I am so excited to show you all of the cool things that I'm going to create this year, thanks to you. I want to give a huge thank you to my patrons because I cannot do these things without you. Your support helps make it possible for me to craft and create and to hopefully focus more on it this coming year. So thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. I also want to give a big shout out to my Instagram subscribers because your monetary said... I also want to give a huge thank you to my Instagram subscribers, as your support also helps. You help fund, you share ideas, and I greatly appreciate the little community we've built on that platform. Another person that I want to thank is Wesley McWethy. You know what you did. All right, next video. All right, so now that I've got that out the way, I want to talk about my next steps with this Mehron makeup. Because I've just now added to my collection and I have so many more new things to try, what you can expect from me in the next couple of videos is swatching all of my Mehron colors, and especially on darker skin. So if you're not used to seeing what some of these pigmented sticks and Paradise AQ water activated makeup by Mehron looks like, please stick around so that you can see what that looks like, at least on my skin, and maybe it'll help you figure out what works best for you. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll catch you later.